Now we look into security groups. Security group is an important feature that you need to remember going into the exam. So, what is security group? A security group acts as a virtual firewall that controls the traffic for one or more instances. Security groups are made of different rules that controls inbound and outbound traffic. For example, here this is one rule that controls inbound traffic, and here this is another rule that controls the outbound traffic. Security group rules consist of protocol. Most commonly used protocols are TCP, UDP, and ICMP. So any protocol that has a standard protocol number, you can use that protocol here. For the list of standard protocols and their numbers, you can go here in this particular link. I am here on that website. Here different protocols are here and their number. You can see TCP has a protocol number 6, ICMP has a protocol number 1, and UDP has a protocol number 17. Then you have to mention port range. You can specify a single port number such as one here 22, or you can use a range of port numbers, for example 7000 to 8000, or you can mention that all ports are allowed. And then for inbound rules, you have to mention source. Source can be another security group or an IPv4 or IPv6 CIDR block or a single IPv4 or IPv6 address. Here in this particular case, this rule is allowing traffic from all sources. Similarly, for outbound rules, you have to specify destination. Again, you can specify another security group, an IPv4 or IPv6 CIDR block, or a single IPv4 or IPv6 address. Security group can also have description, which is optional, and you can have up to 255 characters. Descriptions help you identify a particular rule later on.
Okay, so we just looked into security groups. Next we are going to look into network access control lists. But before we go there, let's take a look at this diagram. So here is our VPC, which has CIDR block 10.0.0.0/16, and it has two subnet, one public subnet and one private subnet. So as we have seen, security groups are associated at the instance level. One security group can be associated with multiple instances, and one instance can be associated with multiple security groups as well. Security groups are not associated or attached at the subnet level. So network access control lists are for that purpose. They are attached at the subnet level. One network access control list can be attached to one or multiple subnets, which is not shown here, but we are going to see that in our next lab. So here we have two different network access control lists attached to two different subnets.